What's up, guys? So today I've got an exciting video for y'all. This is actually my very first, I'll just go ahead and show you because you've seen the title anyways. This is my very first Apple Watch. So super excited, man. This is the Series 4 Space Gray aluminum case with the black sport band. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I have not opened it at all. I have not seen it yet, so this is gonna be a genuine reaction from me. Not really sure how to open this thing, but I'm guessing that you pull these tabs. Okay, so like that, like that. Okay, pretty nice. So let me bring y'all down a little bit where y'all can see. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. So yeah, this is a Series 4, brand new one, pretty awesome. The inside of that, it's kind of cool. Got a bunch of different like little designs on it. So yeah, guys, this is, like I said, the Apple Watch, the brand new one. I think this is actually the launch day. The day that I'm getting this is the day that it launched. So pretty freaking excited. I'm guessing this is instructions, and there's my phone ringing. Oh, you have the wrong number. Freaking telemarketers, man. Of course, like every other Apple product, you get the cube. Here's the Apple Watch charger, and here is the actual Apple Watch. Comes in this little cool little case, really neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Maybe this, by the way, is the 40mm. So that's it right there. Very cool. So this Apple Watch actually has the largest Apple Watch display so far. So actually, this is only a 40mm, but the screen size actually goes all the way to the very points of this. I'll turn it on here in a second. I don't really know how to work it yet. Haven't figured all that out. But yeah, so it has the largest Apple Watch display yet. Just kind of crazy. So let me go ahead and open the band. Very nice. Super easy. Just slides in there. Boom. That's it. Oh, it's turning on. Let me grab my phone and let's see how hard this is to connect. Use your iPhone to set up the Apple Watch. Continue. What? Look at that. Put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Okay. How insane is that? My Apple Watch is paired. This is really cool, guys. The face on this thing is supposed to be like next level. It's supposed to be pretty insane. Hopefully I can see this. I'm gonna try and set it up real quick. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? My left wrist. Oh my gosh, it has all my weight and everything already. Daily move goal. Let's start out light and we'll move up. So far it's been pretty easy to set up. Not hard at all. Actually. And I'll actually have to have the brand new MacBook Pro that I need to do a review over with the touch toolbar as well. Hopefully I can see this. Looks like it's gonna take a little bit, but yeah, guys, it feels like super nice on my wrist, super comfortable. I love the look. This is actually the watch that I wear every single day. It's a movement watch. I'm sure that y'all have seen these. These are like my favorite watches. I have plenty of Invicta watches. I mean, I have like a watch collection, but this right here, this brand Movement, is probably my favorite brand of watch. They're very affordable, very nice, and you can use codes like Dustin Williams or other people on YouTube. You can use their codes to get like 10% or more off of these watches. So really nice. So I believe that's finished now. Looks like you can choose different watch faces, which is really cool. Press the digital crown to start. Oh wow, it like vibrates. That's kind of crazy. There's the face. So I guess you can go, look at that, dude. That's insane, man. I guess you can go through here and pick out like all these different faces. Wow, that's really cool. Hey Siri. Dude, check that out. I did it on my phone. My laptop and my cancel.
I'm sorry. I'm afraid I don't have an answer to that.
Oh my gosh. This is sick, guys. So you have all these different faces that you can choose from. I'm pretty sure like all these are free. You can have it pictures, like pictures of me and my wife on here. Guys, this is awesome. This is super cool. I don't know what else to say. I hope y'all enjoyed. It's just a little unboxing. I couldn't really give a whole lot of detail because I don't know a whole lot yet. But if I didn't say it already, it's pretty cool. This is actually, this watch has just been approved to be able to tell you like if you have like irregular heartbeats and that maybe you wouldn't know about unless you have something like this. This was a big selling point for me because I was like, man, I do a lot of like, I play softball and I try to be active. I try to box and stuff like that as much as I can. So this watch is just like super good for your health. It's super good for like helping you keep up with stuff, especially with the kind of work that I do. I'm constantly having to remember to call people, and there's just so much that goes on in my day. And to have something like this is going to be very helpful. And whenever I'm talking to a customer, I can look and see something. I don't have to pull my phone out and be rude. I can actually just look at my watch. It's going to be so much easier. Call. That's all I need.
Calling Wheeler.
So I'm calling my wife right now. Do you hear that?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, what you doing?
Are you calling me off your watch?
Yeah, does it sound different?
It sounds kind of like you're on speakerphone, but not too bad.
Dude, this watch is crazy.
So now you're gonna sell all your other watches, right?
Sell my... No, I never said anything about selling my other watches.
You're not gonna wear them ever again.
I know, it's going to be great. Because this thing has so many different watch faces already built into it.
So you're gonna be even more addicted to your phone now.
I already downloaded Fortnite on it.
Oh my god.
No, I'm just kidding. Do I need to say anything else? I mean, that is crazy, guys. To be able to call somebody off your watch. Flashlight. Oh, dude, that's actually pretty bright. Hold on, let me turn this light off. Can y'all see that? It's like a little flashlight. What? Or if you get, like, I guess if you're in a wreck or something. Need to get somebody's attention. Insane, guys. I'm blown away by this watch, I'm telling you. I don't even know what else it can do. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna check this thing out some more. I'll get back to y'all later and maybe do like a part 2 to this. I'm just blown away. This is crazy, guys. I'm definitely gonna make some more videos on this. So let me just show you what I have. I know that my desk is a mess right now. I'm sorry. Got so much going on. I've got to review this for y'all. This is the new touchscreen. Unlocks with the fingerprint. And up here you can see, I mean, it's got all the different stuff right here on the screen. Like, what? Are you kidding me? So I've got to show y'all that. That's going to be a cool one to do. I've got this. So if y'all have already seen, if you watch my YouTube channel and stuff already, then you know that I play Fortnite, and you know that I bought this tablet and I have the Galaxy skin now. So pretty freaking excited about that. I don't know if I'll do a review on the Tab S4. I might. I just don't know enough about it yet. But I might. I don't know. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see the MacBook review, and if you want to see the Tab S4 review, let me know. I've got so much that I got to do, guys. I need to edit so many videos. I've made so much stuff for y'all. I found this in my parents' attic. Our old camera. Like, there's just so much that I want to film and I need to go over and stuff. And I've got so much to do, guys. And hopefully this helps me organize my day a little bit better. Thank y'all for watching, guys. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, peace.